To enable and use voice typing in Realme 16 Pro 5G, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to move all the way down, and here we can click on System and Update. Navigate to the input method and then click on the Manage Keyboards, then navigate to the Gboard. Make sure that in voice typing you have it active, like I have it right here. You can also activate faster voice typing, which will download the dictation, and it should work faster after that, and it should be available even if your phone is offline. Now when we're ready, we can go to our keyboard, and you should see this microphone in the top right corner of the screen. If you click on this microphone and allow the permission, you'll be able to speak, and that way it will change into actual words written. And if it doesn't work, then I would recommend to change a language. If you're speaking in a language, that you should use also the same language for your keyboard. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.